There are two types of primary memory, RAM and ROM. Let's start with the RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. You can read, write, edit and delete the information in RAM. It is a temporary memory. Anything stored into the RAM will remain stored there as long as electric power supply is on. It loses the data on power off. You cannot retrieve the data even if power supply comes back. Now let's move on to the ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. As name suggests, the data stored into the ROM can only be read. It is a permanent type of memory. ROM stores the information or program which tells the computer how to work. It does not lose the data even if you switch off the computer. Basically, ROM is a collection of programs or permanent instructions, whereas RAM needs temporary instructions to perform the task. Say for example, if you are going for the picnic, you will not take the whole cupboard with you. You will pack the suitcase as per your need and take it with you. In this, cupboard acts as a ROM, that is the collection of programs and instructions, whereas suitcase works as a RAM, that means whenever needed it takes the instructions from the ROM and perform the task. Let's take another example. If you have 4 to 5 programs stored into the ROM like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, etc. Here, ROM stores all the information and graphics. That means you cannot change the structure of the program. Now, if you want to work in Word, RAM will take the instructions from the ROM and perform the task. Here, you can read, write, delete, edit the information. But it remains stored until the power supply is on. Here RAM allows you to do multitasking also. Now let's see some basic difference between RAM and ROM. RAM is a volatile, it requires power to store the data, whereas ROM is non-volatile, it not require power to store the data. The data stored into the RAM used by the CPU in real time to run the computer. The data stored into the ROM is used by the CPU only when it is transferred to the RAM. Data stored into the RAM can be retrieved and altered. We can only read the data stored into the ROM. It cannot be altered. It is faster than ROM as it is a high-speed memory. It is costly. It is slower than RAM, that's why it is cheaper.